The bonus superpower. Superpower 6 is visualize. And I only like to add this superpower on after your students have mastered the first 5 superpowers. So we have stop, look, listen, wiggle and breathe, and now visualize your favorite person, place, and activity. So the great thing about visualize in the classroom is, again, this can be used all on its own. So you can have your students picture anything they like that makes them feel good, it could be, again, their favorite person, their favorite place, their favorite activity. And it could be all those things. And they can, at different times of the day, just picture different things that makes them feel good in that moment. And this is, again, something great for discussions, for sharing, for activities to bring home, for drawing, art, journaling. So visualize is a very powerful superpower. The great thing about visualize is when you start this at the beginning of the year, again, you can introduce it separately from the 5 powers or after they have mastered the 5 powers, and then add this on in the end, however it fits into your classroom's daily rhythm and routine. But the great thing is if you did have this in a journal, or somehow kept track of what they visualized throughout the year, this would be something so wonderful for them to have, to be able to take home at the end of the year, that they'll have for the rest of their lives. And they'll also remember throughout the year what they visualized that made them feel good. So this could be something that, a weekly, daily, monthly journaling activity where they draw and write about what they are picturing, what they were visualizing, and what makes them feel good. And again, please share with them, journal with them as a teacher about what makes you feel good and what you are visualizing, and then draw it out and share it with them. And again, if you do this throughout the year, that'll be something you'll have to remember what makes you feel good. And it could be something where, let's say your student's having a challenging day. They come in from the weekend and something's going on, or they come in from lunch or recess and something went on. Hey, go look at your journal. Look at what makes you feel good as a reminder, and close your eyes or not, and visualize, picture that thing that makes you feel good. Very powerful superpower. Visualize, awesome, great for students, and enjoy using superpower 6, the bonus superpower, visualize.